In this video, I'll be going over how to find the average of a data set. In order to find the average of a set of numbers, what you want to do is add all the numbers, then divide by the total count of numbers. Here are two examples. From the first example, we will add up all the numbers. So starting with 10, plus 5, plus 12, plus 4, plus 2, plus 8, plus 3, plus 7, plus 6, plus 1. And the total come out to 58. And then we need to count how many numbers there are. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Since there are a total of 10 numbers, we would divide 58 by 10. And the average is 5.8. Now let's look at the second example. Adding up all the numbers, 20 plus 62 plus 53 plus 45 plus 120 plus 142 plus 75 plus 84. And when inputting all these numbers into the calculator, the total would come out to 601. And then we would count how many total numbers there were. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 601 divided by 8, and the answer is 75.125. So finding the average is just like it sounds. You're getting the average of all the numbers. And so you add up all the numbers divided by total count of number. Hopefully this is helpful to you, and thank you for watching.